and welcome back to another video. My name is Amanda and I make videos on how to sell on Amazon and Etsy and how to scale your online business. So if you like watching those type of videos, subscribe and keep on watching. In today's video, we are going to be covering the most important part of your Amazon ad, which is your photos. Now we are going to be talking about 6 things that your photos need in order to be optimized on Amazon. The first thing we're going to talk about is all of your photos need to be cropped the same size. Now, when I first started on Amazon, I did not realize this, but all of my photos were different sizes. So when I was scrolling through my Amazon ad, one would be big, the next one would be smaller, and so on and so forth. And you can definitely notice this as a consumer because there is no cohesiveness between these photos. So for me, what I do is I edit all of my photos to be a 1:1 ratio, and this gives you a square angle, and that's pretty good for all photos. I think that's just the perfect size for all your photos to be, and then when you're scrolling through them, they will all look very cohesive. The next thing you want to remember about photos on Amazon is you want the shortest side to be 1,500 pixels. Now, this is very, very important because if it is smaller, your photo might not be zoomable. Now, when I first started on Amazon, I did not realize this and my photos were not zoomable. So when someone wanted to zoom in, then when they would zoom in, my photo looked very pixelated, and that was not a good look. So then once I made all of my sides over 1,500 pixels per side, and you can go over but just do not go under that, then my photos became zoomable, and then it would automatically zoom. If you were on phone or if you were on your computer, it would automatically zoom over and zoom into your photo, which definitely makes your photos more attractive, and it is definitely something you need on your FBA photos. The fourth thing we are going to talk about is the use of infographics in some of your pictures. Now, I think these are really important because not everyone is going to read your key descriptions, your write-up. They're just going to simply look at the pictures. So you definitely want to convey your key product features in the photos and also measurements as well. I think most people look at the photos and don't even read about the product, go by what the photos look like, and packing as much information in there as possible is good. But you also want to remember that you cannot oversaturate your pictures because then it will become muddy and people won't read that either. So having a good amount of your key features and measurements is best. The final thing we are going to talk about is what kind of photos you want in your Amazon ad. Well, the first photo you want to be your default. The second photo and the third photo, I do different angles of my product. So different, maybe the back, the side, the front, different angles. The fourth and fifth photo, I like to do lifestyle photos. What this photo would look like in the hands of the consumer. Make them feel like they need this product and make them look at these pictures and be like, oh my gosh, I need that product. I have to have that product because I want to be living life like in that photo. And then the final picture, I like to have infographic, and maybe the final couple pictures definitely include infographics and measurements and key features so that the consumer can read about the key features of your product. So those are some of the Amazon FBA photo tips that I have. Now this, I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows about photo size, zoomability of the photo, and kind of what kind of photos they need to include on their Amazon listing. So that is what I have for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.